Alright, and welcome back to episode 9 of Learning to Draw, where we will be doing lesson 12 of You Can Draw in 30 Days. We're going to skip ahead a few lessons because they're basically repeating a couple things we've done in the old lessons. With that, this will be a short one where some of the fundamentals start coming together. So let's begin. We will start with a foreshortened square. So we'll draw our dots. Then we'll go ahead and shoot these together, get them kind of straight, and I will be using a card to kind of get it straight. And with this, we're going to be making a little house, nothing too extravagant. There, and then shoot this final one over here. Okay, go ahead and erase this extra. Alright, then going to be going down to our cube, so straight down, straight-ish down, straight-ish down, then up, connect. It hooked a little on the end. It hooked a lot more. Just shoot it. And shoot it. There we go. That one's a little off. Scrap that and go ahead and redo that. Okay, so we're going to find the middle point, which would be about here and here. So what we're going to do is simply take from the halfway point and we're going to go straight up. Just up. And then we're going to connect here and here. That's not quite the corner. Ooh, that's bad. There we go. Then we are just going to go straight back. And then from this, we're going to connect to this corner. And that's going to give us our roof. So we're going to go ahead and erase these lines back here. And try not to erase the lines we need. Let's drop that down. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. And I'm pretty sure we're not going to be needing these lines in the middle here. So we'll bring this back up to about 25. There we go. We can erase all this, get rid of our excess lines. So as you can see, we got the basic view of the house. We'll do a couple little lines going straight-ish across. I say straight-ish because I'm just doing this freehand. There, and then we're going to make a bunch of little loops for the tiles of the house. Down and over, down and over, and I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process. Okay, and with this now we are going to add a little window right here, and we will give it some depth. So a basic square along with a door right here. Then to give it depth, what we're going to do is we're going to hide it right there. We're just going to shoot here and down. This way it kind of looks like it's got a little bit of depth on the inside. we're going to do the same thing down here where we want to see this one and then bring it over. And with that, we'll add a little bush over here, maybe one right there. Let's Bob Ross it up a little bit and add a couple little bushes. Maybe maybe a nice big one right there, which will. Oh well. Yeah, because I want the shading to come off of this side, so I'll add take away from the bottoms a little bit. This way they look like they're coming up off the ground. With that, all we have left to do is a little bit of shading, which point we are going to use up here for our light source. So I will fast forward through the shading. Feel free to watch it if you wish. But other than that, if you follow along, I hope you learned something. And as always, have a great day.